an old 1951 Panhard Dynabrake, and Panhard was a French company, very old French company. It was in the early teens that they made some fairly dramatic technological advancements, something called the Panhard bar, which was used by almost every modern manufacturer and suspension component right from the 1900s on up. The company itself did very well, and in the 1920s and 30s, Panhard made a lot of very eccentric but beautifully turned out luxury cars. After the war, that market didn't exist anymore. The countries were all rebuilding themselves all across Europe, and big luxury cars certainly weren't something that anybody was going to make any money building. So they turned their attention to small, light, economical cars that people could afford. This was the result. The Dyna brake and indeed all of these little Panhards were designed basically to be run with a two-cylinder engine. Just put out a few horse. I think they're 28, 30 horse, something like that. It's not awesome power, but the cars are aluminum, so they're fairly light. This particular car was used in the Champagne region of France as a bread delivery truck, and from what I hear, it went from the bakery up the mountainside to a castle and delivered bread every day. So it arrived in the United States just a couple of years ago, and I purchased it down in California last summer. My intention is basically, because it's a beautiful original little car, is to leave it as it is and just fix her up mechanically. It's got carburetor issues, and actually, funnily enough, it has a Porsche carburetor, which was the stock item in the day, and somebody's kitted it with basically a Porsche interior kit, which the two-cylinder engine can't cope, so it just overfuels itself quite badly. It's got a little shifter that is run by linkages down to this tiny little engine in the front. And it's a very delicate thing, but it actually works quite well. You just don't want to be grabbing it and hauling it back and forth because, well, it isn't going to take that kind of punishment. It's nice every now and then when you come across something that is basically in its original paint job. Interior is absolutely original. Just to leave it alone, just to fix it up and maintain it sort of in the condition that you got it. And this is certainly one of those. I mean, the temptation to restore it is, well, I'm always tempted to restore things, but if I'm smart, I'll leave this one alone.